Have you ever wondered how something as small as a fennel seed could transform your health? Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of this ancient superfood. Hello, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of fennel seeds, a powerhouse of nutrition that's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. But what happens when you make fennel seeds a daily part of your diet? Let's find out. Fennel seeds, with their sweet, licorice-like flavor, are not just a culinary delight but a treasure trove of health benefits. Packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and magnesium, these tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. First up, let's talk digestion. Fennel seeds are renowned for their ability to soothe the digestive tract. They contain anethole, a compound that relaxes the muscles in your gastrointestinal system, reducing bloating, gas, and cramps. Looking to shed some pounds? Fennel seeds might be your new best friend. They're known to suppress appetite and prevent overeating, making them a fantastic aid in your weight loss journey. But that's not all. Fennel seeds are loaded with antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and quercetin, which combat free radicals and reduce inflammation. This means a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. For the ladies, fennel seeds can be particularly beneficial. They have properties that mimic estrogen, which can help regulate menstrual cycles and reduce symptoms of menopause. And let's not forget about your eyes. Fennel seeds contain nutrients that are thought to strengthen eyesight and even treat conditions like glaucoma. Regular consumption of fennel seeds can also give you that coveted healthy glow. The minerals in fennel seeds, such as selenium and zinc, maintain the oxygen balance in your bloodstream, imparting a soothing effect on the skin. So, as we've seen, incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall health. From aiding digestion to promoting clear skin, these seeds are a natural remedy worth considering. But wait, there's more to the story of fennel seeds. How can they specifically enhance your daily life, and what are the best ways to consume them? Stick around for our next video to find out. Curious to try out the wonders of fennel seeds for yourself? Check out our specially curated fennel seed supplement, designed to give you all the benefits in a convenient form. Click the link below to discover more and take the first step towards a healthier you. And before you go, tell us in the comments. Have you ever tried fennel seeds, and what was your experience? We'd love to hear your stories.